Now that you know about the Oprah Shake and Win event, I know one question you keep asking yourself is, how can I actually get all the pieces of a prize to actually claim the prize? And I know some of you must have looked for different ways to get unlimited shakes, or look for how to get extra pieces and match them to your account and all of that, but none seems to work. In this video, I'm going to tell you what you need to know about the pieces of the Oprah Shake and Win and how to actually get those pieces you find difficult. If you are new to the channel, in this channel I share videos like this on how to make money online and free update tips. And if you are watching this video right now, I want you to understand that you should not only stay with this Oprah Shake and Win event. There are other ways you can make money online. So tap on the link in the description to join my WhatsApp group if you are in Nigeria. Now moving on to today's video, I want you to understand that not all the prices on the Oprah Shake and Win event requires you to get them in pieces. By now you should already know that. If you've been shaking for a very long time, and if you are just hearing about the Oprah Shake and Win event for the very first time, I want you to check any of these two videos plus this additional video to know how to claim your prize immediately you win your prize. And once you are done with that, what I want you to understand is that not all the prices require you to get them in pieces. Because I mean, some prices on the Oprah Shake and Win event, you only need to get them from one shake, and immediately get them, you can claim them directly. But for the prices that require you to get them in pieces, some of you actually have challenges and difficulties in getting some particular pieces. I mean, for example, like this image, this is actually an account where I've gotten all the 5 pieces and the only thing I have left is just one piece. I want you to understand that this is very common in the Oprah Shake and Win event. There is always this, can I call it a particular piece or a spectacular piece you will hardly get. It is almost on everyone's account. Sometimes for some prices it is actually 2 to 3 pieces. It is at most 3 pieces. You find it very difficult to get them. But for this smartphone, I think these 2 pieces or 3 pieces are the ones you can actually find difficult to get here in Nigeria. And some of you have actually tried different ways to get them, but none is working. What I want you to understand is, whenever you register for the Oprah Shake and Win event at first, you are going to be given some pieces, some, let me call it, easy to get pieces. These pieces are almost available to everyone, but as you continue to shake, they continue to give you very tough pieces. This does not mean you have to shake for a very long time before you can actually get those pieces. No, there are some people who, after they shake for maybe a day or two, they get these very difficult pieces, and those pieces you find very easy to get is the one they find difficult to find. So one thing I want you to understand is, the truth about getting all your pieces in the Oprah Shake and Win event is just for you to keep shaking once in every 4 hours. Once you shake for a very long time, it increases your chances of getting these rare pieces. Cause with my experience, I know I've been shaking for a long time now, and I can discover that they keep giving me the pieces I find difficult getting at first. So this means that the more you shake, the more pieces, the more difficult pieces they are going to give to you. But here is a tip: if you want to shake, I suggest you shake between 1 a.m. in the midnight if you are in Nigeria or in any country, to 2:30 a.m. in the midnight, or shake between 7 a.m. in the morning to 8:30 a.m. During this time, they give you very rare pieces. Most times, not every day. You can try today and they give you just a random piece, but you can try tomorrow and they will give you a very rare piece. This is actually working. So with these things I've explained, I really think you should focus on shaking between 1 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. today and try it out. And if this video is very helpful, I want you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on that bell icon, and share this with your friends who are also participating in the Oprah Shake and Win event. And if you are watching this video right now and you are in Nigeria, I want you to click on the WhatsApp group link to join my group. I post updates every single day that make it late to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you in the group. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.